So green wire is not typically used to wire in a box. So just so you guys know, typically what we're doing here is we're marking this wire with black tape at the end of it, because the next electrician or installer, when they come in, they know that this is a hot wire, because black indicates hot. So we're taping it up, and then we're going to end up putting it under the breaker terminal, and then we're going to do the same with the other wire. And if you're wondering like why we didn't just get that wire, where we were limited with what they had in stock and we had to get this done. So as long as the next person coming in knows that this is a hot wire, that's all you need to know. And what's sad is a lot of people don't even do this. And the next guy comes in, he gets shocked or electrocuted or something because they didn't realize it was a hot wire. So, but the proper way to do it would be to use black wire or red wire or blue wire, which are usually three that indicate a hot wire. Right now we're moving the sheet off the wire. As you can see, marking the second wire. Both of these are going to be hot. As you can tell by the thickness of this neutral wire here at the top, this has got some serious voltage coming into it. I believe this is a 600 amp box. And your average house is typically a 200 or 400 amp service. Typically 200 amp service. They're good and tight. What you don't want is that wire coming out at some time because it wasn't tight enough, and then end up touching something else in this terminal, arcing and causing more problems. Again, place it behind the terminal, push it in, tighten it down.